Hello everybody! Today I'm going to teach you how to play a new game called Mount Mitchell Rock. It is a division game and you will simply need a die to roll, or you can use the virtual dice if you don't have die at home, and you'll need the game board. If you are in school, and I remembered, I handed you a paper version of the game board yesterday so that you have it available. If you are at home or I forgot, there is a electronic version. If you have a printer, it's easier to play on paper, but certainly you can do it on Seesaw. It's just going to be a little smaller. So you're going to obviously go to your add response and you're going to get into the game. And this is why it's a little easier on paper, because you'll see it's kind of small, but it'll work. And you're going to play against one other person. And you will simply start by rolling the die. So I'm going to get my virtual die up here and I'm going to roll my die. I got a 1. Okay. So I'm going to move one space. I'm going to use my highlighter so I don't cover the number and I can still see it. I will be pink. I move one space and I got a 12. Then what you'll do is you'll take whatever you landed on. For me, that's the 12. And I'm going to divide it by the number that I rolled. So I'm going to do 12 divided by 1. Now, you don't have to write this on your paper, but you might want to have a scrap paper available. And then I'm going to solve. So 12 divided by 1 is 12. Are there any remainders? And if you said no, you're right. Since there are no remainders, my turn is done. I'll show you in a moment what happens if you do get a remainder. Okay, my partner rolls. Here we go. That's better. My partner gets a 3. So my partner, let's make them green. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. They landed on 15. Oh boy. So they're going to do 15 divided by 3. Anybody know why I said oh boy? I was hoping to be able to show you what happens when there's a remainder. Is there going to be a remainder for 15 divided by 3? You're right, there is not. It's just 5. Since there's no remainder, that's as far as my partner goes. My turn as the pink. I will re-roll again. 6. All right, let's hope we get a remainder this time. So I'm going to erase what I had, and I'm going to count 6 from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to land on 21. This is better. So I'm on 21. I rolled a 6, so I'm going to do 21 divided by 6. Notice how I'm writing my division problems. A lot of you, and I know I mentioned this on Monday, are writing your division problems incorrectly. I saw a lot of you on the HLA before break writing something like 6 divided by 21. And while you can do that, we are not doing that now in 4th grade. That is way in the future. This is not something we're doing, so for now, your larger number needs to become first. So if I do 21 divided by 6, I am going to have a remainder. So I'm going to figure out what that remainder will be. I'm going to count by 6s. 6, 12, 18. I know that's going to give me a 3 for 18. And then I'm going to have a remainder of 3. Here's where the fun part comes in. I have a remainder of 3, so I actually get to move 3 more steps. 1, 2, 3. So I land here. I don't repeat the process. I just get to move 3 more because I had a remainder. Okay. Now my partner goes, whoops, roll. They got a 3 again. Okay, so my partner is going from the 15, and 1, 2, 3, he gets 20. So they're going to do 20 divided by 3. All right, 20 divided by 3. Okay, I know 3 times 6 is 18 because we just did that. So I know it's going to give me 6 with a remainder of 2. So my partner gets to move 2 more and land here. Keep going until the first person hits the finish line. And I really actually like seeing those division problems. So I would love it if you would write it on a separate piece of paper. Show me those division problems. If you're doing it online, go ahead and click Add Page and show me your division problems. I want you to keep track and show me the math you were doing. I think that's going to be important. Practicing writing those division problems correctly. Make sure you record. Make sure you tell me at the end who won, and then upload a picture of not your game board, but of your equations, and have fun.